Welcome to the vibrant world of early years at School of Enablers, where learning is an adventure and young minds bloom. At School of Enablers, we believe in nurturing the wonder of childhood. Our experienced teachers are not just educators, they are compassionate mentors, fostering the love for learning from the very beginning. Early years are where character blossoms. Here, we help our students explore their passions, develop essential skills, and instill a sense of responsibility. Our early years program incorporates storytelling, exploration, and a love for discovery. Our commitment to holistic education is mirrored by our dedication to nurturing young minds, preparing them for a bright future. Embrace a school that celebrates the joys of early learning, where every day is an opportunity to learn, grow, and succeed.